Crypto has been pumping for almost a week now. Bitcoin is once again above its 23k level. Ethereum has pumped more than 50% in the last 7 days. Looks like the market is slowly recovering from the loss that we had. Lots of altcoins like Polygon Matic, Avalanche and ApeCoin are also pumping like crazy. So does it mean we have bottomed out yet? Does it mean we are at the end of a bear market? So in this video, I'm going to take a look at the chart of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are also going to look at how the US dollars is doing because it tends to have an inverse correlation with Bitcoin. If the dollars continues to drop in value, that it might suggest that there might be more room for Bitcoin to grow. So if you like this type of content where I just go straight to the point without any BS, do smash up the like button and subscribe for more. So let's hop right in to do a little market watch. Bitcoin coming in at 23.6k, pumped 8% on the day. Ethereum currently sitting at $1,565, pumped 3% on the day. BNB currently sitting at $269, pumped 4% on the day. Let's also take a look at the top winner on the 24-hour. Waves coming in at $6.48, pumped 20% on the day. Flow currently sitting at $2, also pumped 20% on the day. Lido DAO currently sitting at $1.71, pumped 16% on the day. So it looks like generally everything is pumping. We are enjoying this rally. The crypto market cap is currently sitting at $1.1 trillion. It pumped 4.5% on the day. Let's also look at the charts of Bitcoin and do a little analysis here. So Bitcoin right now has finally broken out of this side trading. This is actually a very bullish sign. Hopefully we can manage to stay above 22.5k and turn it into a support level. Just looking at this chart alone, we could easily hit the next resistance of 26.5k because this range here is actually an sort of an empty trading range. We don't have a lot of data to fall back on because usually while going up we don't have lots of resistance. That also means going down we didn't have lots of support. So I would expect if we are indeed getting more bullish movements, then we will have almost no resistance from here all the way to 26.5k. I mean, this can also be verified by the Ichimoku cloud because we had almost no resistance up until 26.8 or 26.7k. So I do expect that this level gonna be a major resistance for Bitcoin. However, that being said, we do need to pay attention to the Fed meeting because the Fed meeting is hosting next week, which is very soon. By then, the Fed will decide either they are raising the interest rate by 75 basis point or 100 basis point. So I do expect more volatility next week. Well, good thing about this calendar is that we don't have any meeting in August, so it allows sort of some room for the market to breathe. Let's also jump onto the 4-hour charts of Bitcoin and look at what's going on. So on the 4-hour, we are trading above the Ichimoku cloud, which is a good thing. If we also take a look at the RSI is also generally trading on the upside, which shows strength. The MACD indicator is also showing green, which is a bullish sign. However, if we take a closer look, we do have a bearish divergence on the RSI. So I will not be surprised to see Bitcoin go back down to this rectangle box of 21k to really test it as a support level. Next up, let's also take a look at the chart of Ethereum because Ethereum has been enjoying its rally. Well, in just a matter of 5 days really, Ethereum has pumped more than 50%. I mean, this is madness to see this, especially in a bear market. That being said, I do see a major resistance at 1700. Well, if we zoom out, so previously we did found lots of support here around 1700. So this level right here used to be a significant level. The fact that we have broken out of this level also means that it will act as the new resistance. Well, obviously one of the reasons why Ethereum has been pumping like crazy because we have a sort of like a confirmation like from the Ethereum developer that the Ethereum merge will be happening roughly around 19th of September. But this price action almost like this will happen next week or something. Let's also jump onto the 4-hour chart and pull out the Ichimoku cloud. Well, as you can see, we're trading well above the cloud, which is a good thing. Let's also pull out the EMA ribbon line. We are even turning the 25-day moving average into the support line, which is very bullish. However, let's also pull up the RSI indicator because it does give you some sort of perspective. So the 4-hour RSI right now is getting dangerously close to 70. If we are spending too much time on this overbought territory, then realistically we might not be able to sustain this level. So I'm going to pay a very close attention on the RSI, and I'm not like too optimistic at the very moment. Just because we have 5 days of green, it doesn't mean that we can't go any lower. Another reason why we have been seeing these bullish actions in the crypto space is, well, no other than the US dollars is sort of losing steam a little. So the DXY is down about 2%. Well, it might not look too significant, but it's actually quite a quick movement for the dollar index. And as I always say, the DXY tends to have an inverse correlation to crypto. So for the dollar index, we have been getting almost 4 consecutive red bars. On the other hand, crypto is enjoying its relief rally. If USD gets a support and resistance blip here, bounce back up and gain a little bit of traction, then this is a clear sign that we are not coming out of this bearish trend in the crypto market for a very long time. I'm going to watch the charts very closely because right now is really the best time to educate yourself and get loads of information and stay up to date of the market. My strategy remained unchanged. I do separate a holder account and a trading account because actually volatility is great for trading. For the holder account, I'm still DCAing into the market because I do believe that crypto is the future. I do understand that if you just got into crypto like a year ago and looking at the percentage wise, and that is definitely quite disheartening, but understand this, you are only one market rally away from being a totally different position than you are today. So understand the fundamentals, do lots of research, and we are gonna make it at the end. So that's it for today's update. If you did find any type of value within this video, do me a favor and smash up that like button. If you want more regular updates from me, do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.